Win rates. Why is this important? Why does every retail trader talk about win rates? How you guys doing? I'm David with Alexander Trading Investment Group, and this is a topic that pretty much every retail trader talks about, especially every YouTube retail trader. I don't understand the fascination of win rates. And on the screen right here, you guys are going to see an example of an 80% win rate. And I'm going to show you an example of why win rates does not matter. Really, the only statistic or stat you should think about is why 90% of people who trade in the market fail. There's only 10% of people who trade that actually make money. What you should really think about is what are the 10% doing that the 90% are not? Let's look at the screen and let's talk about the 80% win rate. We have an 80% win rate, right? 10 trades. Eight of those trades are winners, two of those are losses. On the first trade, you made $200. That's great. You can log off your brokerage account, close your laptop, or turn off your desktop and have a happy day. The next time you come in and make another $200 on your second trade, you're on a roll now. Your third trade, $50. So now you have made a total of $450 in three trades. That's awesome. You come in on your fourth trade and you take a loss. That's one of your two losses for your 80%. You took a loss of $475. Hurts. You come in on your fifth trade and you make $75 back of that 475 that you lost. Take in the next trade, which is your sixth trade, and you took a loss of now $450. Now you're negative, but you still lost only two out of your 10. Seventh trade, you make $50 back. Let's say you go on another roll. Eighth trade, $100. Ninth trade, $75. And on your 10th trade, you made $50. You went on a nice little four trade run. This is still 80%. 10 trades, eight wins, two losses. But your net loss is $125. Do you understand why win rates are not important? It's very misleading. And a lot of YouTube traders, especially a lot of YouTube traders, use this win rate discussion or what's the other word? I'm going to say discussion to entice you to look at their videos to make you think that they are profitable. In reality, they are not. Win rates are very misleading and are numbers you shouldn't even pay attention to, if I'm being honest with you guys. And I hope this example helps you understand why the people who talk about, I mean, there are people who talk about win rates that say they win 100% of the time. 100% of the time. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos where there are people, YouTube traders, who claim they win 100% of the time and they have the magic touch or this magic indicator. That is insane. And that is a big red flag. I want you guys to think about it. The big banks, the institutions, the hedge funds, some prop firms, even those guys, the ones who actually move the market, their orders are ones who actually move the market up or down. Those guys take losses. Now, granted, they don't take as many losses as a retail trader like myself, but they still occasionally take losses. So if people like those guys, the banks, the hedge funds, the prop firms, if they take losses on occasion, what makes you think, just using logic, that a retail trader who orders do not move the market at all somehow wins 100% of the time? This is a discussion, again, that we said at the top of the video, that happens all the time. Even I talk about it occasionally. I don't understand the fascination of it, but it works. It does entice and bring in a lot of people to make you think that those people that claim to have all these high win rates are really good and actually making money in the market. Sometimes they get lucky, sometimes they don't. These are the same people who use indicators in the market or trend lines. Uh, People like myself, if you follow my video and subscribe, you'll see that I use a thing called market profile. I think about value over price. I don't use trend lines. I don't care about formations. I don't care about things like cups and handles and uh, descending or ascending triangles. I don't do any of that. MACD, RSI, none of that stuff moves the market. It's about value, price, volume, and time. I hope this video helps you guys understand that one, win rates do not matter, and two, things like magical indicators and plain candlesticks do not move the market. And by all means, if you don't take anything from it, if you see a video of anybody claiming that they win 100% of the time, don't waste your time and click on that video. It's impossible. Again, even the bigger banks, the hedge funds, the prop firms, even those guys who's actually moved the market, they take losses occasionally. All right, guys, I hope this helps. If you like what you heard from this video, you find value in it, follow me. Hit the like button, subscribe. I have a lot of videos where I talk about trading. I record myself trading and actually do recaps of the week and also set up for the week and sometimes set up for the month. Have a great one, and I'll talk to you guys soon.